Welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will see how to approve leave in ESS. Based on the workflow defined, as a reporting manager, you can approve or decline the leave requests made by your reportees. Once your team member applies for a leave request, you will receive an email notification with the leave request details. We will now look at how to approve or decline the leave request. Log into ESS. Click the menu bar on the home page. Click Approvals. Select the type of approval. Here you will select Leave. Select the current year and select Pending from the drop-down. All the leave requests which have been submitted for approval will be displayed. Click on the employee name. Enter the approval reason, if any, and click Approve or Decline. An email notification will be sent to your reportees that you have approved or declined the leave, and the request will be processed accordingly. You will also be able to see the status of the leave under Notifications on the right-hand side. Please note that you have the option to directly approve or decline the request in the email notification itself without having to log into ESS. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.